This is Raj Gajendra Pillai, Kana Kingdom. Today we will be learning about English grammar. The topic is common and proper noun. Today we will be learning about the basic nouns, common nouns, proper nouns with examples and exercise to do at the last. So next is we will be looking at the contents. Be ready with your notebook, pencils, pay attention to the studies. So, ready with the books? Today, let's see what are the contents which we are going to learn. The contents are a quick revision on the basic nouns. A quick revision on the basic nouns. Write a name for each. There is a list of names given, of the profession given. You have to write down the names according to the list given below. There is a list in which it says a teacher, a friend. So you have to actually write it down. You have to write the names just for the identification that what is a teacher, who is your teacher, or maybe your best friend. You have to just write it. Then going next, we will be learning about definition of common noun and examples of the common noun. After that, we will be going through the definition of proper noun. Examples of proper noun, identifying common and proper noun, and later with the exercise to do. So first we will be going through the nouns, the basic nouns. We will be writing the name of each, where it is asked to write definition of common noun, examples of common noun, definition of proper noun, examples of proper noun, identifying common and proper noun, later exercise to do. Now, be ready. Give 5 seconds. So, we will be looking on the quick revision on basic nouns which we have learnt previously. What is the quick revision on nouns? We will be learning the definition of nouns. Once again, we will repeat it with the examples. Nouns are the naming words. What are nouns? Nouns are the naming words. The definition is, noun is the name of people, place, animal, bird or thing. What are noun? Nouns are the naming words. Noun is the name of people, place, animal, bird or thing. Now let's see two examples of each. I have already given you many set of examples, even exercise was given. Now let's see the name of people. When we say name of people, what is people? People are we all. Yeah, everybody who has a name and everybody surrounding us, including the teacher with the students, everybody sitting here are people. Name of a people, that's Harish and Tina. Name of a place, say London, Australia. Name of bird, that's peacock, crow. Name of things, that's blackboard, table. So name of people, what all we have seen? We have seen Harish, Tina. We have seen London, Australia. Name of animals, that's elephant, camel. Name of bird, that's peacock, crow. Name of thing, that's blackboard, table. So noun are the naming words. Noun is the name of a people, place, animal, bird or thing. So noun is clear. Now we will see about common noun, proper noun. Right? We'll see common noun and proper noun, how it is. Then we will understand after writing the name. First we'll see a small map about common and proper noun, which shows these are the names of common noun, these are the names of proper noun. Then going ahead, we'll be writing the name. Be ready? Give you 5 seconds. Yes. See, group them using the tree map. It's a tree map. The design which is seen in front of you, when it has two branches, it's one common thing and two things goes out with two different set of boxes. It's called as tree map. So what are the common nouns? The nouns which say commonly about tree. There are many trees. It's not a particular tree they are talking about. Fruits. Fruits are many fruits. Person are different persons. Family. There are many families. You talk about common. Tree. You see 50 trees there, you will call it. Look at the trees. I'll say, look at the tree. If somebody is selling some fruit some place, you will say, you will have a look at it and you will say, see, there are fruits. There are so many of fruit. He's selling it. See, look at the fruit. When you see many people walking, if you see, you'll say, look at the person. How many persons are there? There are lots of persons here. It's commonly addressed names. Family, when you talk about family. We, in our house as a family, the next door also, that is a family. You can see many families. If you walk on the streets, you can see father, mother, and with their children going on. They are all families. It's a lot of family. All are family, but it's commonly addressed like whenever there is a father, mother, children's going, it's a family. Right? So now let's look at the proper noun. What does proper noun says? Here commonly it says tree, but in proper noun it says balete tree, santol, samplac, mango, lolo eteng, lolo lina, lia yaco, Mr. Castillo, Trinidad family. It's particularly saying something. It's a balete tree, santol, samplek, mango, lolo etreng. It's addressed to a specific particular person, particular lady, particular gentleman. Lolo Lina, Lia Yaco, Mr. Castillo. This is all the particular names which we are addressing. In proper noun, see the family. Here it is given Trinidad family. It means it's addressing to a particular specific family. In proper nouns, this is the thing. In common noun, we generally use tree. Here it is written balete tree. Means he is telling that is a particular tree. It's a balete tree, santol, samplek, mango. See how it's particularly said. Here it is written as fruit, but here is addressing it as a mango. Person, Lolo Eteng, Lolo Lina, Lia Yakov, Mr. Castillo. Here there are person is addressing as person, but here it's addressing with the name. When you say about family, it's a Trinidad family. It's a particular family, a specific family there. Right? Write it down, make the small tree. The noun, left side, right side, common and proper. Write it down. Give you 5 seconds. Now, we have seen the tree map. Now we are moving ahead with write names of each. Write name of each. What is the list given below? The list in front of you is a teacher. When we talk about teacher, who is a teacher? Teacher is a person who teaches you in the school, who teaches you in the house. Maybe your next door neighbor is teaching you. Whoever teaches you something, they are your teacher. In school, it's commonly addressed as teacher because all the teachers are there in the school to teach you about your regular studies. A teacher, when we talk about a teacher, it can be a male, it can be a female. So now a teacher is a common noun. When we address it, when we write name of each, when we write it, it becomes the proper noun because it is addressed to a teacher, Sheetal. A friend, when we talk about a friend, friend is a common noun. We talk about friend. Friend is a common noun, but when we address it with a proper name as Deepesh, Harish, Rajesh, when we address it with a proper name, then it becomes proper noun. We write a country. There are many countries. Country is a common noun. When we address about country, country is a common noun. But when we write the name India, when we write about the country, we write about China, we write about Japan, we write about maybe USA, we write about any country. When we write the country's name, it becomes a proper noun. Until it is addressed with city or country or friend or teacher, it's a commonly addressed names. We talk about a country, I have written it India for you. A city. There are many cities. In India there are many cities. But when you address it properly as Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, it becomes a proper noun. Until it is not written, when you address it as a city, it's a common noun. Common noun to proper noun. How it becomes? When you write the name Mumbai, when you write the name Delhi, when you write one city's name, according to it, it becomes a proper noun. Till that proper noun, when it is addressed as city, it's a common noun. A school. We talk about school. School are many schools. There are many schools. There are ample schools. Wherever you go, after 1 or 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers, you can find in a school. Everybody wants to educate their children. So there are many people who are interested in opening schools and giving knowledge to the people. They want literate people in the states. So what they do, they open a school. Everybody who is efficient of opening a school with a graduation certificate and degrees, and who can afford to open a school with lots of money, with lots of spending, it needs lots of passion. To open a school, it needs lots of passion. When we write about a school, school is common. When we write about school, school is a common noun which is addressed. But when you write about a school, that's Kana Kingdom, that becomes a proper noun. Write about a month. What is a month? Whenever you address there are 12 months in a year. It's common. But when you write it as January, March, April, maybe February or December, or maybe any April or October, whichever month you are born, when you write it as a particular month, then it becomes a proper noun. A pet. When you talk about a pet, it's normally pets. What are pets? Pets are the domestic pets which we actually keep in our house. It becomes as a family member, right? We keep it with our day-to-day life. It comes with us. It sleeps with us in the bed. It does everything it wants with us, right? When you write about a pet, only pet, when you write, it's like a common pet. But when you talk about particular name, Bruzo, Tommy, Moti, when you say about their particular name, when you address with a proper name, it becomes a proper noun. An artist. When you talk about an artist, there are many artists. There are many artists in the world. Somebody has a art of playing music, somebody has a art of drawing, somebody has a art of making things out of the scrap. Somebody can make a sand castle, somebody can run very fast. Somebody has an art of making something, with the hand, with the water, with the colors. There are many types of artists. So when you talk about painter, painter is again an artist. Through his paint, he can make good artwork. He can make your picture as well as anybody's picture with the paint. He paints the house. He can make a nice, good design. So when you address about an artist, artist is a painter. When you talk particularly about painter, it becomes a proper noun. When you talk about a festival, festivals are many festivals. In India, we celebrate almost all the festivals. Christmas, Guru Parab, we talk about Diwali, Holi, we talk about Eid, we talk about Guru Parab, we had already spoken about. It's a different, we talk about Cheti Chand, it's celebrated by Sindhis. There are many festivals. There are uncountable, there are different religions, they are celebrating something different. When we talk about Ugadi, we talk about Pongal, we talk about harvest festivals. There are many harvest. Baisakhi, when we talk about, there are many festivals we talk about. There are so many festivals in small towns, in small villages, in small things. They celebrate one or the other because there are so many gods and there are so many offerings. So we cannot actually count how many days. 365 days, all the 365 days may be having something one or the other, because there are very different set of religions as well and beliefs. So whenever you see like a festival, it's a small festival, a big festival. See, somebody is doing something. It's our festival. What is this? This is our festival. These are our old customs which we do it. But the festival, the big festivals are Holi, Diwali, Christmas, Eid, Guru Parab, right? Pongal, Baisakhi, Biku, Basant Panchami, but we talk about Holi. These are the things which people actually count, which is given in the calendar. Leaving that, there are many festivals which are celebrated silently. Diwali is the festival of lights, right? So let's go ahead. We'll go to the. So now we will elaborately look on the common nouns. What are the common nouns? We will talk about the common nouns now. The main topic has come now. The nouns we have seen. What is the noun we have seen? Now we will see what are the common nouns. The topic which has come now. The nouns that are common names, general names of people. What is this? General names of people. When I talk general names of people, place, animal and thing of same category or same set are called as common nouns. What are common nouns? The common nouns are the common names, the general names of people, general names of place, general names of animal, general name of thing of same category or same sect are called as common nouns. When we talk about common nouns, what do you understand by this? That are the common names, general names of people. General names of people. What is general names of people? One single is a person. When we talk about people, it is of same sect, it is of same category. When it is more than 3-4 people, when there are 3-4 person, it becomes people. When you are one boy, right? If you get your school boys along with you, your classmates, your 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, they all become what? They all become boys, right? So the commonly addressed name is what now? The common name for you 5, 6 guys together, it's a name. Boys. It's commonly called as boys. Right? Now you understand the common names for the same category. You are in the same category and same set. You are also a boy. They are also a boy. They are all standing together. What we call them? We call them as boys. Correct? When we call them as boys. General name for the 4, 5, 6, 7 students or maybe 10 students, the common name addressed is as boys. The common names of place. How do you call common names of place? We call them as place. Right? What place? It's commonly addressed. School. Hospital. These are all the common names. Where did you go? I had gone to hospital. I had gone to my school. When you are talking commonly about school, there are so many schools. Right? When you talk about, I had gone to a railway station. I had gone to a bus stop. When you talk about bus stop, it's a common thing. I had gone to the market. I had gone to the shopping mall. There are many shopping malls. You are not addressed to the proper thing. So it's a common thing. Like I had gone to the market. I had gone to the bus stop. I had gone to the school. These are the common things. When you talk about place, school, bus station, these are all the common names used. When you talk about general names of animal, commonly to address, see there are dogs. There are so many dogs there. I talk about dogs. They are commonly used name when you see a set of dogs, right? 10, 15 dogs going there, or 4, 5 dogs are there. What you'll call? You'll address common name, dog. So this is the general name of animal, right? Now, what is the general name of thing? I call general thing like furniture. We have furniture in our house. It says lots of furniture. What is this furniture? This furniture is the sofa which you have, the bed which you have, the cupboard which you have. These are all called as furniture, commonly called as furniture. Right? When I talk about particular thing, I was sitting on the chair, I was sleeping on the bed, I was relaxing on the sofa. So, when you talk about furniture, furniture is a common noun, right? You are just telling that you have furniture in your house. It's commonly addressed name, like for thing, it's commonly addressed, right? So now the examples given down is boys, girls, which is commonly addressed. Festivals. When you talk about festival, there are many festivals. That's what I said. Festivals. When you talk about, it's lots of festivals. Commonly we say there is a festival coming, so you have to guess what is the festival. Vacation is coming, the festivals are coming. So commonly addressed names are festivals. Now let's see what are the common games. Talk about common games. Common games. Games are kabaddi, cricket, football, kho-kho, hockey. Everything is common. So games, when you talk about, it's common, right? Brothers, yeah, 4 brothers. All Indians are my brothers. When we talk about brothers, when we talk about brothers, how many brothers? I have 3 brothers. But here, in commonly used name is brother, because you have 2 brothers. You will tell I have 2 brothers. It's a common used name. When you have 2 sisters, maybe they are cousin also. What you will call them? You will call them as sisters. Commonly addressed name. The common name is sisters. When you talk about sisters, right? So what are the common nouns? The word that are common names, general names of people, place, animal and thing of same category or same sect are called as common nouns. Please write it down. Yeah. The words that are common names, general names of people, place, animal and thing of same category or same sect are called as common nouns. Examples: boys, girls, festivals, games, brother, sister, etc. Let's go with the more examples of common nouns. Write it down. In the monitors, what you can see? Examples of common nouns. So, there are many children who come to school, right? There are many children who actually play together. So, there is a picture shown there. When it's a single, it's a child. When there are many, they are children. When you talk about single guy, single children, single child, it's a child. When is a single, is called as a child. When there are many of the same categories are there, you will call as children, right? So this is one of the examples of common noun where the children are there. There are lots of children. When you address particularly about one children, that becomes one child. So when you talk about animals, see, there are so many animals. When you talk commonly address about animals, they are animals. We talk about animals. But when you address elephant, when you address about lion, single, when you address about giraffe, when you address about hippopotamus, when you address about rhinoceros, these are the single animal where you can tell that that is a proper noun. The common nouns are generally commonly used, commonly seen animals. Like these are the commonly used seen animals. What are festivals? You can see 3-4 festivals celebrated in one where it is seen. Karwa Chauth, lights. You can see in the photograph festivals. There are 4 festivals celebration in one pic. And in the right side you can see students. What are they? They are students. As you come to school, they are also at their school. Who are they? They are students. When you talk about students, they are many. When you talk about single student, then it becomes a proper noun. When it is addressed properly, one student's name, when it is addressed properly, then it becomes what? It becomes a proper noun. So now in common noun you can see general names. These are the general names. Like 3-4 festivals celebrated, it's called as festivals. There are set of animals, they are called as animals. There are many children there, they are addressed as children's. There are many people who are studying, they are called as students. The general common names. The photo here which says general common names. When you see animals, you call them as animals. General name. The photo shows the general names. Students, children's, animals, festivals. Just this is for your understanding that there are 4 festivals which is celebrated, which is commonly called as festivals. Students, there are many students there, they are in the school uniform, so they are commonly called as students. Here there are many children sitting, so now what we call them commonly when we see, and we call them as children. We call them as children. Here you can see animals, there are 5, 6, 7, 8 animals. We commonly call them as animals, right? So let's go ahead with more examples. Write it down. Now we are seeing more examples about common nouns. The common nouns, right? The common nouns, when we speak about name of people in common nouns. Name of people. Name of people, we have seen children's, we have seen students. Now we'll see some more. We will see that pilot, teacher, girl and baby. These are the name of people in common noun. When we speak about name of people in common noun, it is pilot, teacher, girl, baby. Babies are addressed common. Girls addressed common. Teacher addressed common. Pilot addressed as common. Name of a place in common noun. Name of place. When we talk common names, so what are these common names? Airport. right? There are many airports in India. When we talk about airport, it can be any airport. Commonly addressed name for airports. Airport. Then school, beach, railway station. These are the name of place in common noun. In common noun, if it is asked what are the common noun, the place of common nouns, how will you address it? How will you tell? You will tell that airport, school, beach, hospital, railway station, these are all the name of place in common nouns. Name of animal in common noun: elephant, dolphin, dog, cat. Name of animals in common noun: elephant, dolphin, dog, cat. These are what? These are all the common nouns. Name of thing in common noun. What is the name of thing in common noun? Generally, what are the things? The things are chocolate. Do you like chocolates? Yes, chocolates. Book. Don't like book. You like book. You have one grammar book, English book, Hindi. Like the book. Which book you like? History, SST, maths. Your favorite subject, yeah. So, name of thing in common. That's book. Laptop. Laptop is in common use of laptop. This is a general name of things in common noun. Name of people in common noun is pilot, teacher, girl, baby. Name of the place in common noun is airport, school, beach, railway station. Name of animal in common noun, that's elephant, dolphin, dog, cat. Name of thing in common noun, that's chocolate, book, laptop. Right? Let's go ahead to look into the more examples and proper noun. We'll look into, these are the common nouns, the examples I've given. I have made you understand about the common nouns. What are they? Name of people which is commonly addressed, the general names for the same category and same sect. The general names used for people, animal, place, thing is common noun. So now, after common noun and examples, we will be looking into proper noun. What are proper noun? The words that have particular and specific name for persons, months, festivals, places and days are called as proper noun. The words that have particular and specific names of person, months, festival, place and days are called as proper noun. The words that have particular and specific names for person, months, festival, places and days are called proper noun. They always begin with a capital letter. For example, when we call in common noun, we address it as people, boys, commonly addressed. Here, this is a proper noun. In the proper noun, we address it with a proper name. When we talk about Vikas, this is the name of people. When we talk about Vikas, this is addressed to a particular person, Vikas. The name of people in the proper noun has a proper name. We talk about girls, the name of people again. You talk about Sheetal. You talk about girls, it's Sheetal. When you talk about Sheetal, it's a proper thing. It's a specific name for a particular girl. For the proper noun, it's a particular name, a specific name for person. Let's talk about April. What is this? This is the particular specific name for month. For the month. For example, when we say name of the people in proper noun, name of the month in the proper noun. When we say name of the month in proper noun, the month is April. It can be January, it can be March, it can be the month in which you are born. But when we address it to specific and particular month, it becomes a proper noun. We talk about festival, particular and specific name of the festival. We talk about Diwali. Diwali is a specific name. It's a specific festival which is celebrated, right? So now in proper noun you can see the particular name for festival. It's Diwali, which we talk about. Next we talk about places. Specific name for places. When we talk about places, the major cities, when you talk about Chandigarh, talk about Mumbai, you talk about Junagadh, you talk about Rajasthan, you talk about Ahmedabad. There are many cities, there are proper cities addressed. When you talk about a city with a name, with a proper name, that comes in the particular specific name of places in proper noun. What is a proper noun? Words that have particular and specific name for person, for months, specific name for festival, specific name for places, specific name for days are called as proper noun. What are the days? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Right? These are the days. When we talk about previous days, nowadays, long ago, or you talk about current day, it has a specific day, a specific name. On Thursday, when you speak about on Sunday, on Thursday, on Monday, it is particularly addressed to one such day. On that year, on that day. We talk about any year. When you talk about particular day, that is in proper noun. When you talk about proper noun, the word that has particular and specific name for the particular day, it is called as a proper noun. Last year, on April 29th, it was a Saturday. So maybe whatever year it is, but when we have a particular specific day for as a Saturday, as a Monday, then it's a proper noun which is addressed. When we talk about proper name, when you talk about proper name, when you talk about specific name, when you talk about a particular name of a day, maybe a month, maybe a festival, maybe some place, when you have a specific and particular thing, a date or month, then it is a proper noun. What are proper nouns? The word that have particular and specific names for person, months, festival, places and days are called proper noun. Always a proper noun begins with a capital letter. A capital letter. Always such names like specified names for months, festival, place, day has a name starting with capital letter. Vikas, V capital, Sheetal, S capital, you can see down, April, A capital, Diwali, D capital, Mumbai, M capital, Monday, M capital. So this is how you address it, this is how you write it, this is how you know about the proper noun. Now let's go with the charts and examples to see an exercise in the last to do. So you can understand common noun, we can differentiate the common noun and proper noun. There we address commonly as boys, here we address with the proper name. There we say girls, here we address with a proper name. There you address as month. Here you address as particular month. There you address as festivals. Here you address as Diwali. There you address in common noun, you address as city. Here you address it with a proper name, Mumbai. There you call common days. In proper you have a specific day, that's Monday. Now let's see some examples, some charts about the proper noun for the better understanding. Okay, write it down. Write down the definitions. I hope must have written. Anyways, when I start narrating, you actually start writing it. Hi. So we are seeing the clips of proper noun for your better understanding. See, look at the names given there. It's Vikas, Sheetal, Diwali, and April. These are the specific things and particular things where it's saying particularly about Vikas, Sheetal. You can see the pics, and Diwali. This is a specific festival addressing proper noun, and month of April. In common nouns we have seen it's addressed as festivals, but in proper noun it's addressed properly as the month of April. Be ready for the next slide. Now, going ahead, now let's look at the chart which is seen in front of you. In the monitor screens, you can see common noun and proper noun. Right? You can see what are the examples given on the top. In the common noun, it says man. In proper noun, it becomes Abraham Lincoln. When you see Abraham Lincoln is a proper noun, it's addressed to somebody, the president, who is addressed with a proper name. Mountain, when you talk about mountain, there can be many mountains. As I say, there are many mountains. Wherever you go, you can find mountains, the hilly areas in the mountains. When you address it with a proper name, in common name, it's commonly addressed. You can see the mountains wherever you go. You will feel the mountains. You can see the mountains. You see that there are mountains one behind the other, but you don't know the name. You will not know the name until it is been said, or you can read a board. So when you see mountains, and when you come to know that you are next to the Mount Everest, you have in such a place where people have made their names reaching at the top of Mount Everest. It's full of glaciers. It's one of the achievements, Mount Everest. So when you see Mount Everest, it's a proper name addressed. It's a proper noun. Let's talk about building. What is a building? Building is a multi-story dwelling place where 1, 2, 3, 4 there are slabs put and the houses made in one slabs. There are more houses. So building, what is a building? A building is a place of living. A place of living where families stay. 1, 2, 3, it's a building. Building has apartments, building has their own flats on every floor. Building, White House. When we talk about White House, it's particularly addressed about a building. It's only a building. A White House is a building where the president lives, where the president's office is there. President stays there the entire day. His working place. The president of US stays there. State, when you talk about a state can be many. In one country there are many states. When you talk about particular state, Texas is a state. New York. Texas is a state of New York City. We'll talk about newspaper. Newspaper is commonly, there are 14, 15 languages in which the paper comes in red and blue. We take it out, we read it. There are many newspapers, there are many people who are making papers and newses. And when you say commonly that there is a newspaper vendor there, or do you read newspaper? Yes, I read newspaper. When you say I read newspaper, it's only you're talking about some newspaper. You're not talking about particular newspaper. Here, the particular newspaper is New York Times. You're talking about New York Times. It's a particular paper. It's particular paper in which you get the news of the entire city. You get the news about international also. So now, in common noun, it's a book. When you take it as a book, when you speak, when you say it's a book, but you are not sure what the book is. It's just a book. When you talk about book, it can be many books, it can be anything, but you have to be very particular about what is that, which book is that. I have read many books in the library. When you say there you have learned many, but what types of book you have learned, what was its name, you never know. Book, when you talk about, it's Frindle. Talk about Frindle, right? It's a particular book. Frindle. Monument. What is a monument? Monument is a thing. A monument is a thing. Yeah. What is a monument? Monument is a old structure, old building being kept for the historic records. And secondly, the monument is, we say a statue, maybe a statue as a monument. The all historic places, all the old buildings, the old structures, heritage, we keep it. We actually call them as the monuments, right? So these are the monuments. Washington Monument. When you talk about Washington Monument, it's a Washington Monument. It's a historic place. It has the place values. So it's called as Washington Monument. When you talk about common name, common noun, it's park. It's a common name. It's a common noun. Park. And when you talk about heritage park, what is heritage park? Heritage park is a particular heritage park where it's named as heritage park. The park's name is Heritage Park. In that, there are many things to look, to walk around, to play, and to relax. In park, why do people go to park? They go for a brisk walk in it. Children go to play. Some of them go silently to do meditation at one corner. They sit in one corner of the park and they do meditation. So this is how a park has been used in India and in other places. Parks are very much clean. It cleans. Whenever you go to park, your mind gets free after seeing the greenery. You can see the lawn with green grass and everybody is walking and silently, nobody making noise. It makes your mind fresh. So common nouns and proper nouns. Let's see. Man is a common noun. Abraham Lincoln is a proper noun. Mountain, building, dog, state, newspaper, book, monument, park. These are all commonly addressed names which are common nouns. Abraham Lincoln, Mount Everest, a White House, Spot, Texas, New York Times, Frindle, Washington Monument, Heritage Park. These are all the proper noun. So dog, what is dog? Dog is a common name. What is the spot? Spot is the dog's name. Spot is the dog's particular name which is addressed, which is a proper noun. Dog is a common noun. Spot is the name of the dog. It's a proper noun. So these were the examples of common and proper noun to understand better. So now let's go ahead with some more elaboration topics and exercise to follow in the last. Write it down. I hope so you must have almost written it. Still I give you 5 seconds more to write it down. Yeah, let's learn more about common and proper noun. So now let's see. The first left column is given as writer. When we speak about writer, it's generally addressed name as writer. There are many writers. Even when you say he can be a writer, writer is a common name. When you put a name to it, Mark Twain. What is Mark Twain? Mark Twain is a name. Mark Twain is a writer's name. It is a proper noun. City, when you talk about CITY, city. Chicago. What is Chicago? Chicago is a city. Right? When you talk about planet, PLANET, planet. There are many planets. In one, when you name it as Mars, Mars is the proper planet. This is a proper name. Planet is a common name, common noun, or it's a common name. Yeah, planets is a common name. So river is a common name. When you talk about the river Thames is the particular river. So it's a proper noun. Like the rivers which we have, Ganga, Yamuna in India. The same ways we have river Thames abroad. Restaurant, when you talk about restaurant, Cat's Delicatessers. Cat's Delicatessers. When we talk about cat delicatessers, it's maybe a delicious food which they mean to say. Delicate, delicious. This is one type of proper noun. The name is addressed to a proper noun. Tea. When you talk about tea is common. Earl Grey is a brand. When we talk about Earl Grey, we talk about Tata Chai, talk about Lipton Chai. That's our tea. In India we talk about, but in abroad, Earl Grey is one of the best teas. When you drink, what drink means? Common cold drinks which you talk. It's when it's addressed to Coca-Cola. When you address it to Coca-Cola, it's a particular brand. It's a particular brand name, Coca-Cola. Then it's a proper noun. We talk about building. We talk about big buildings. There we have spoke about building Washington. What was it? White House we talk about. Right? Building White House. Here we talk about building. Highest building in Dubai. That's Burj Khalifa. The highest tower ever made. Burj Khalifa. Website when you talk about. It's a common website. But lakhs and lakhs of website. Yeah. So it's a common name. When you talk about vocabularypage.com, it's a proper indication and a proper noun. So okay, this is the explanation of common and proper noun. So going ahead, let's have a look to the more descriptions. Yeah, so now to come down with more examples of common and proper noun, let's go ahead. Like car. What is a car? Car is a common noun. Drink. Drink is again a common noun. There are many drinks. Man is a common noun. Laptop is a common noun. Tree is a common noun. Woman is a common noun. Foot is a common noun. Planet is a common noun. Cat, leg, sock, website, tea, mouse, ocean, state, biscuit, school, mountain, building, castle. These are all the common nouns. This is for your writing down in your book and memorizing and knowing about the common nouns. What are the common nouns? Website is common, cat is common, planet is common. So now let's look into the proper nouns. Pepsi Cola is a proper noun, addressed to a proper noun, proper name. Germany is a proper noun. Agatha Christie is a proper noun. New York is proper noun. Jim is proper noun. Sydney is proper noun. Dr. Morgan is a proper noun. Atlantic Ocean is a proper noun. September is a proper noun. Tom is a proper noun. Argentina is a proper noun. Mercedes is a proper noun. Titanic is a proper noun. Dolly Crown is a proper noun. April is a proper noun. Russian is a proper noun. Central Park Zoo is a proper noun. Oreo is a proper noun. Simon is a proper noun. The President is a proper noun. Tuesday is a proper noun. Google is a proper noun. So I want you to write it down so that you can memorize and understand what is common and what is proper noun. Write it properly. Give you 5 seconds. Right from the beginning, write it down. Here in the slide you can see exercise to do, right? So you can see pig, bag, August, Matt, Max, dog, girl, school. So these are the names which are given in the list. Now you have to identify what are the common and what are the proper nouns. Common nouns and proper nouns. This is the work which is given to you. I would tell you to write it down, complete this as an exercise. So a small hint I would like to give. The capital letters in being used for proper noun. All the proper nouns are written in capital letters. August, Sam, Monday. So now it would be easy for you to do the work. So you need to write it down. Yeah, memorize it. What all is called as common noun, what is called as proper noun. You have to go to one word, write the spellings. Yeah, write the spellings. Write it in common as a table which is given, then write it separate. In the left column, write common. In the right column, write proper. Proper name, proper noun always starts with a capital letter. And in common, it's a general common names used. Yes, in proper, it's particular and specific. So now, let's go ahead with one more exercise. There you have to match the follow.